Welcome to my channel Leveling Surveying. So students, today we are going to discuss the problem on height of collimation method or height of instrument method. So let us see the problem number 2. The following consecutive readings were taken with the dumpy level, and these are the readings which are taken by the dumpy level: 1.895, 1.500, 1.865, 2.57, 2.990, 2.020, 2.410, 2.520 and 2.960. So these are the levels which are taken by our dumpy level instrument, and here the level was shifted after 4th and 6th readings. So that means at the level 4th and the 6th reading the instrument has shifted. Okay, the RL of the first point was 30.500. Rule out a page of a level book and fill all columns. Use collimation method and apply the usual checks. So these are the readings which are given by the dumpy level we have taken on the ground, and the instrument is shifted in the 4th place and in the 6th place. That is nothing but change point 1 and the change point 2. The RL was given here, that is 30.500. So now let us draw a table, that is a field book. Okay. So this is the table we have to draw. First one, here you have to write station, backside, IS, FS, HI, height of instrument, RL, reduced level, and remarks. So totally how many levels are there we have to write here. That is, first one is station A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So he has given in the backside, that is the first one, how much the backside was given, that is 1.895. So write it here, 1.895. Okay, and the RL was given, how much the RL was given in the question, that is 30.500. In the remarks you write it, it is a RL. Okay, and after that we have to write intermediate side, 4 sides. Okay, so what are the intermediate sides we have to see here. So in the question you can see here 1.500, 1.865 and 2.57. So here the instrument is changed at the 4th. That means here in the place of 2.570 the instrument was changed. So here we have to write the IS stations are 1.500 and 1.865. So the 4th station is nothing but A, B, C, D. This is the 4th station. We have to write in the remarks change point 1. So when the change point 1's come, so you can see here the 4th side is known as, that is 2.570. So this we have to write here 2.570. Okay, up to here it is clear. So then the next, again we will be getting the back side at the station point. When you get the 4th side at the change point 1, we will be getting the back side also. So what is the back side reading after the 2.57? You can see here, that is 2.990. So write it here in the D station, 2.990. Okay, then after you will be getting the 4th side. Okay, so what is the 4th side you will be getting by taking the station on the point E? You have to write after 2.99 you are having 2.02. So write it here. Okay, then after here again you will be getting the, from the 4th side you will be seeing the station and turning the telescope to the back side. So after 2.02 what is there, you can see that is nothing but 2.410. So this is the back side reading you have to write here. So after back side again we are getting the some 2 other points. Okay, that is intermediate side and at last 4th side. So what is intermediate side after the 2.410? You can see 2.520. Okay, so the last one will be the our 4th side, that is 2.960. So write it here. So now in the table we have wrote the all the readings which are there. Okay, now we have to calculate the height of the instrument. So what is the height of the instrument formula? That is, as we know, HI is equal to RL plus BS. So what is RL here? 30.500. Okay. So here to get IHI we have to do 30.500 plus 1.895. So you write down here 30.500 plus backside is equal to 1.895. Then we will be getting 32.395. So that is you write here in the HI 32.395. Okay. And then after we have to find the RL of station at B. So to get the RL of station B, so what we have to do? RL of point B is equal to HI minus, so what is the station point we are having here? Either FS or IS. You can write here IS or FS. Okay. So what is the HI we got here? That is 32.395 minus what is IS? 1.500. Then we will getting the answer is 30.895. So this one you write it here in the RL 30.895. Okay. Then after again we have to find the RL of station point on C. Okay, we have to find the now RL of the point station C. So to get the RL of point station B, RL of same you write on point C is equal to, okay, what we have to write? HI minus IS or FS. Then you have to write HI is that value we have to take 32.395 minus, and what is the IS value? This one 1.865. 1.865 is equal to how much you will be getting? That is known as 30.530. You have to write here 30.530. Okay. Okay. Up to here we have completed the now station point C. Then next we have to get again in the point here, it is a change point 1 and we are having the change point on the 6th reading also. So which is the 6th reading? You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the 6th reading. You have to write here change point 2. Okay. So when the change point comes on the 1, we will be getting the height of the instrument and RL. So to get first the RL, we have to do HI minus FS. That is on the station point RL of point D. RL of point D is equal to HI minus now FS. That is equal to 32.395 minus what is the value we have to take? 2.57. Then you will be getting the HI value how much? 29.825. So that you write here 29.825. So now we got the RL of the point D. Then we have to get the height of the instrument also. So to get the height of the instrument, you write here height of instrument at point D is equal to, you write down RL plus backside. So which backside we have to take? Backside of point D. Okay. So you can write here RL how much we got here? 29.825 plus backside of D is how much? 2.990. Then you will be getting the value is how much? 32.815. So this you write here, that is 32.815. So now we got the HI of the point D also. Then next we have to find out again RL of the point E. RL of point E is equal to, so to find the RL, what we have to do? HI minus IS or FS. Okay. Continue. RL of point E is equal to HI minus, we have to write FS. So RL of point E, how much we got here? We can see in the question. Okay. So RL of E, to get here we have to do the HA. HA is how much? 32.815. Okay. So 32.815 we have to do what? 2.02 minus 2.02. Then you will be getting the value as 30.795. So that you have to write here 30.795. So then again after here we are having the height of instrument. So to get here height of instrument we have to do on the point E, that is HI is equal to what we have to do. So we got the RL now 30.795 plus we have to do this one backside 2.410, that is backside on E. Then you will be getting 33.205. So we have to write here 33.205. Okay. So again the last point we have to calculate RL. Okay. So we are having the last point as a RL. So that will be here. So I have wrote here, not on this here. 2.960 is on this. Okay. So to get this the RL of point on F, so you have to write the here RL of point F is equal to, so we have to take from this one. Okay. 33.205 you can see here in this reading. The height HI minus IS or FS. So what is the HI? We have got the value that is known as 32 point. Height of instrument we have to take 33.205 minus IS or FS, which is the IS or FS, that is 2.520. Then you will get the value as 30.685 on the RL. This is known as 30.685 RL of F. So the now last one is there, that is RL of G. So to get the RL of G we have to do from the height of the instrument. Okay. So what the value we have to take? That is known as last one RL of point G is equal to HI minus FS. So what is the HI we have to take? That is HI minus FS is equal to, we have to take this one HI. Okay. That is on the point station E 33.205 minus, and the height Fs is 2.96. So then we will get the value as 30.245. So write this one as 30.245. So up to here the now the table is completed. Then we have to do the total of backside. Total is equal to plus all add this one 1.895 plus 2.990 plus 2.410. You will be getting 7.295 total, and you add all the four side also. We will be getting the total as 7.500. Okay. So after this we have to do the check. So what is our check? So our check is equal to, we have to write here arithmetical check. Arithmetical check is equal to sigma Bs minus sigma Fs. So that is equal to last RL minus first RL. So you write down sigma Bs is how much we got here? 7.295 minus 7.55. 7.295 minus 7.550. Then this is equal to last RL minus first RL. What is last RL? This is 30.245 and the first RL is 30.500. 30.245 minus 30.500. then you do this one, you will be getting the answer as minus 0.255 is equal to minus 0.255. So we got the symbol in the minus negative. So here the negative sign indicates a net fall from the first point to the last point. That means when the positive comes, the ground level will going from the down to up, but here we came the negative, so the ground level comes from the up to down. Okay, so this is the arithmetical check we have to do, and this is the height of collimation or height of instrument method. Okay, thank you.